Welcome to another how-to video.
Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, let me show you how you can delete your mailer account. While we are on a mailer site, click on your account name, like mine, which is Maria Ford 34. It is located on the upper left of your screen on the website. After that, click New Account. After clicking New Account, click the three dots. After clicking the three dots, click Delete Account. If they ask permission if you want to delete your account, click Delete, and that's it. That's how easy you can delete a Mailerlite account this 2024.
That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.